You've probably seen those headlines on Ozempic face, and you've seen those before and after pics, and maybe you're experiencing this yourself. GLP medications like Ozempic, Mounjaro, and Wegovy are transforming bodies and faces through rapid weight loss. It's really impressive. But are they making people look older? And what can we do about it? Today we're going to unpack what's really happening to your skin when you take these medications and how you can support it. Hi, my name is Dr. Nana Boachi. I'm a board-certified dermatologist, and I call myself a lifestyle dermatologist because I truly love empowering my patients about how lifestyle habits impact your skin. So let's get into today's discussion. GLP medications are groundbreaking weight loss medications. They're a medical breakthrough for a lot of people. As you lose weight, your skin can struggle to keep up. My patients are noticing hollowness, sagging, dullness, and more prominent wrinkles. And it raises an important question. Do GLP medications make you look older? The reality is GLP medications do not cause Ozempic face or Ozempic butt. This rapid aging is due to the rapid weight loss, and your skin just cannot keep up with it. The good news is there are some things that we can do to help support your skin throughout this process. Here's what you need to know about how these medications work. GLP stands for glucagon-like peptide 1, and this is a hormone in your body that helps regulate your appetite and your blood sugar. Medications like semaglutide and tirzepatide mimic this hormone, and therefore you feel full faster and you eat less. But what does all this mean for your skin? First of all, when you have this rapid weight loss, there's a loss of subcutaneous fat. And when you have this loss of subcutaneous fat, there's sagging, there's a little bit of dullness, there's hollowing. The support, which comes from your subcu fat, is not there, so everything that was going up north is now going down south. If you're over 40 and you're taking these medications, your skin is already losing that elasticity due to less elastin as well as collagen. So therefore, you just feel like your skin is very pliable and you feel like your skin is just sagging. People are unintentionally eating less protein, and protein is essential to help build collagen and also repair some of your tissues. So these changes are due to multiple factors, and that's due to fat loss as well as collagen breakdown and nutritional gaps. So what skin changes might you see? So here's what I see in my clinic and what patients notice first. There's loss of facial volume in the temples, the cheeks, and jawline. There's looser or thinner skin, which is what we call Ozempic face. Fine lines and deeper folds are more pronounced. Dry, dull, flaky skin is also noticed due to a compromised barrier. The most important thing is that these changes are not permanent. They're actually quite preventable as long as you take the following steps. If you're starting or thinking about starting a GLP medication, protecting your skin should be part of your plan, and these are the 5 areas that I would focus on. Number 1, prioritize protein. I actually calculate protein goals for each of my patients who come in, regardless of whether they're on GLP medication or not. But when you realize how much protein you need, then you can be strategic to make sure you are hitting those goals, and that way you can help make sure you are getting your collagen production and you also feel satiated. I calculate protein goals for all my patients. I usually multiply 0.75 times your weight to calculate your daily protein intake. And when you take in that amount of protein per day, then that way you can ensure that you are supporting your collagen production. Another way to support your skin is also making sure you are strength training as well. Strength training, along with protein, helps support your muscles and help you build collagen. Working with your healthcare provider as well as nutritionists are really important to make sure you're taking the right supplements. Supplements that can help your skin are collagen peptides, also omega-3s, as well as a multivitamin. Emerging research has shown that natural foods such as tofu, curcumin, as well as cinnamon, along with certain supplements like resveratrol and quercetin, can help boost your GLP. It's really imperative that you talk to your healthcare provider to ensure that these supplements and these foods are appropriate for you. All of these can be found in a supplement form with the exception of wheat products, so consider asking your doctor about incorporating these foods either as a supplement or into your regular diet. Hydration is skin protection. Make sure you're drinking enough water and also applying moisturizers, but look for moisturizers that have ceramides, shea butter, sunflower seed oil. Look for even moisturizers that have humectants like glycerin and hyaluronic actives. Once you have your moisturizers, make sure you also consider using actives. Actives like retinols or even actives with vitamin C to improve your skin health. So in addition to using retinoids to help stimulate collagen, you may want to consider stimulating collagen in the office. Consider in-office procedures such as biostimulatory fillers like Sculptra and Radiesse. You may want to even think about microneedling and maybe even consider certain laser treatments for tightening the skin just to help support your skin texture and tone. My skincare line's Cocoa Barrier Cream is formulated with peptides, lipids, niacinamide, as well as a lot of yummy ingredients to help improve your skin health. And when it's paired with our cleanser and mask, oof, chef's kiss. You just get lots of brightness and a lot of skin luminosity. Sleep, stress, and hormones all impact your skin resilience. Skin health is never skin deep. That's why lifestyle matters. Once you start losing weight, this is the moment you want to loop in your dermatologist. We can work together to create a plan to make sure that your skin stays resilient while you're on these medications. If you're noticing changes, make an appointment with your dermatologist, and these are the questions you want to ask. Am I losing facial volume? How's my skin elasticity right now? How do I maintain my skin barrier as I lose weight? What in-office treatments can I do now and long-term? We may recommend treatments like PRP, biostimulatory fillers, radiofrequency microneedling, or just mechanical microneedling. I often use the analogy that we are rebuilding a cushion, and that with this structure, we don't build it all at once, we do it layer by layer. I also recommend that your dermatologist collaborates with your primary care doctor and your endocrinologist to make sure that your skin health needs are met. GLP medications are powerful tools, but your body needs time to adjust and adapt throughout this process. Be patient, but proactive. I'm Dr. Nana Boachi, and I'm here to help you understand your skin from the inside out. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and drop a comment below.